Hello everyone. Hello JNB Bhavnagar. Am I audible? Okay. Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you can see me now. Right. Yeah. Unmuting is not allowed. Uh, yeah. If you want to ask anything, like you can drop your comment in the chat box because this is 45 minutes class, right? So that's why you can, because otherwise the syllabus will not be covered in time. So if it is very much necessary, definitely I will unmute all of you if you want to ask. Okay. Otherwise, in general cases, unmuting is not allowed. Okay. बट आपको अगर कभी प्रॉब्लम होगा, अगर आपको पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हो, अदरवाइज आप टाइप कर देना चैट बॉक्स में. ओके. ओके. सो जस्ट वेट फॉर 2 minutes. Okay, guys. So just wait for 2 more minutes. Then we will start the class. Okay. Just I'm waiting for few of schools to join. Then we'll start. Okay, sir. हाँ, sir. Okay, okay. Okay, so hello everyone. Hello JNB, Bhavnagar, JNB, Kareem, Nagar, JNB, Anam. Okay, so welcome all of you to my class. Okay. Okay, so JNB, Bhavnagar is asking, sir, in syllabus of basic maths used in physics will be covered in these classes. So definitely when we will start the basic maths, I think the basic math syllabus will be taught by physics teacher only, right? So actually we are starting from set and theory, okay? So that's the case. So definitely teachers will teach you basic mathematics, and there they will cover all the required things which is needed for the physics, okay? Okay, but for now, for today, we are starting set and relation, right? Okay, very basic things. And one more thing I have to say that like after this class, after 3:45, uh, Samanbit sir has joined our classes, so he will be uh, giving you some suggestions and all. He will give you orientation about everything about JEE and all. Okay, so just after the class, just stay here only. Samanvit sir will tell you about everything. So first we will start the class, and then after 45 minutes, Samanvit sir will tell you something. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Okay. Is it clear? Can you all hear me? Okay, so let's start the class, guys. Okay, so my name is Rahul and I'm teaching mathematics, obviously. Okay, and for like two years से मैं अवंती में हूँ, ठीक है. So आज मैं आप लोगों की सेट्स एंड थ्योरी की क्लास लूंगा, and yeah, because the regular teacher Subham sir will take your class, but for now due to some issues he is not there, so I, in place of Subham sir, I am taking the class. Okay. Okay, so we can start the class, guys. So you know that we have just started the class 11th. So in 11th, the first basic chapter is set. Okay, very easy one, but it is very useful. Like आप आगे जितना भी जाओगे तो कहीं हर जगह पे बेसिक में आपको सेट्स यूज होगा. ठीक है. I hope you understand little bit of Hindi because I will be mixing up both these things. Like I will be trying to explain in English only, but sometimes I will be talking in Hindi also. So if it is okay, you can, and if you are having any problem understanding my Hindi, also you can tell me in the chat box. Okay. Okay, so let's just start the class, guys. This is the first class, so more it will be like simple. The theory part will be more. Okay, so I want you guys to respond in the chat box regularly so that I can understand, yeah, you are getting all these things. Okay, so let's start the class, guys. Okay, so the today's topic is sets. Okay. 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 So in today's class, what we are going to study, the introduction part definitely we will see, and then we will see what is set, how we will represent the sets and all. Okay, and then what are the types of sets. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so introduction. So the simple thing कि set theory का किसने खोज किया था, किसने discover किया, so you can remember his name. If you not doesn't matter, कोई problem नहीं है, but remember कर सकते हो. So basically ये fundamental mathematics अभी जो हमारा present day में use होता है उसके लिए काफी useful है set. Okay, and almost every branch of mathematics you will see the concept of set will be used. Okay. So what is set? Actually, sets are used to define the concepts of relation and functions. Okay, you know already, like in the previous class, Anil sir was taking and he was explaining about all the chapters, and he told that the function and relation are very important chapters. Okay, in almost every, and this relation and function, the basic part is set only. If you don't understand set, you can't understand relation and function. This is the very, and also in the 12th class also we will teach you relation and function, but in 11th class we will see the very basics of relation and function. Okay, so we'll start. In this case, like, okay, study of geometry, sequence and series probability requires the knowledge of sets. So you can see sequence and series probability, these are the very highly important chapters in JEE. So everywhere the sets will be used. Okay, so how we will represent sets? Okay, we will see. Okay, so initially थोड़ा boring भी हो सकता है क्योंकि these are the only theories. So first we will see collection. आपको पता, okay, I have to admit everyone. Yeah. Collection. What is collection? I think you know already know collection means what? A group of random objects. Okay. लेकिन what is set? जैसे examples like कि collection of favorite cricket players. So if I will ask Janvi Bhavnagar कि what are your favorite cricketers? So उसका हो सकता है विराट कोहली, रोहित शर्मा, ऐसा करके हो सकता है. अगर मैं अभी मान लो और हमने जैनवी आदिलाबाद से पूछा तो उनका ये होगा कि वो बोलेंगे कि डेविड वार्नर, राहुल त्रिपाठी, कोई भी ऐसा करके. सो कलेक्शन ऑफ फेवरेट क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स वेरी कर सकता है पर्सन टू पर्सन, राइट. कलेक्शन ऑफ फेवरेट बुक्स, किसी का बुक्स कोई और फेवरेट हो सकता है, किसी का ये, तो इसको हम लोग कलेक्शन बोलते हैं. लाइक इट विल बी वेरी फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन. ओके, बट व्हाट इज सेट? सेट में क्या होता है? इट इज अ वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. यहाँ पे एक हो जाता है वेल डिफाइंड. वेल डिफाइंड का क्या मतलब है? वेल डिफाइंड का मतलब है कि हम चीजों को ऐसा डिफाइन करते हैं जैसे कि हमने अगर बोला व्हाट द कलेक्शन ऑफ वोवेल्स इन इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स, इफ यू आस्क एवरीवन द आंसर विल बी सेम फॉर एवरीवन. यू कैन ए ई आई ओ यू, राइट? क्लियर, राइट? Like collection of first 5 prime natural number, definitely everyone will say 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So what we have done, we have well defined the collection of objects. So sets is also a type of collection, but it is well defined. You can say that all sets are collection, but not all collections are set. Are you getting my point? Is it clear, guys? सबको clear है? अगर clear है, you can tell me in the chat box. What is the difference between sets and collection? Is it clear? I'm just waiting for your responses. Okay, very good, Janvi Bhavnagar. Okay, so आगे बढ़ते हैं. What is the difference between collection and sets? Already I have told you, every set is a collection, but all the collection is not necessarily a set. Only a well-defined collection is called as sets. ठीक है, जैसे कि कलेक्शन ऑफ गुड क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स इज अ कलेक्शन, बट इट इज नॉट अ सेट. ओके, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. ओके, सो वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट थिंग. लाइक we will simply start these theories and we will try to finish it. So I will ask you the questions like which of the following collections are set? You can see there are 5 questions are there. Can you tell me in the chat box which of the following collections are set? The collection of all natural number less than 50. You can just type A, B, C, D, E. You can all type in the chat box which of the following collections are set. Whoever watching through Zoom and YouTube, you can all tell me in the chat box which of the following collections are set. You can say all the data here. Just I am waiting for your responses, few responses, so that I can सी दैट कि सब लोग रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हो आप. ओके, ए सी एंड डी. Okay, JNB Bhavnagar, AC. Collection of all natural number less than 50. Yeah, definitely it is a set because 50 से जितने भी 1 से लेकर 49 तक हो जाएगा. Collection of good hockey players, not, because good hockey players बोला है तो obviously कि person to person vary करता है. Collection of all boys in your class. Yeah, ये तो हो सकता है. हाँ, ये हो सकता है. And D, collection of all question in this chapter. ये भी हो सकता है. हाँ, ACD हो गया, अ कलेक्शन ऑफ मोस्ट डेंजरस एनिमल्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. तो डेंजरस का कोई सीमा नहीं है, कोई भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, डेंजरस का कोई लिमिट नहीं है. सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी A, C एंड D. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? किसी को कोई डाउट है? ओके, जहां पे वेल डिफाइंड हो उसी को हम लोग सेट बोलते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो यू कैन सी A, C एंड D. ओके. Okay, yeah. Okay, now there is a representation called belongs to. Okay, what is meaning of belongs to? Like, suppose we have a set, okay, and there are a lot of elements in that set. Okay, I have not used how we represent set and all, but first we try to learn what is belongs to. Suppose there is a set, and in that set there are a lot of elements. Okay, so simply the element part will be denoted by the small letter. Okay, and the set part is denoted by the capital letter. Then we simply say that A belongs to A. Small a belongs to capital A. Means A is representing element and capital A is representing set. Okay, बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट यूज्ड. अभी आगे चल के देखोगे कि रोस्टर फॉर्म में कैसे लिखते हैं, बट फिर भी मैं एक लिखता हूं. सपोज मैं एक लिख रहा हूं, सेट ए है और इसके अंदर में बहुत सारे. सेट ए क्या है? फर्स्ट 5 नेचुरल नंबर. ओके, सो आई विल राइट लाइक दिस 1 2 3 4 and 5. So these are the elements. Okay, these are the elements. So it will be all belongs to this set. So I can write 1 belongs to capital A, 2 belongs to capital A, 3 belongs to capital A, 4 belongs to capital A, 5 belongs to capital. Like that you can write. So the element part will be represented by small letter. Okay, is it clear? Okay, and then we will also see the representation how we'll write it. Okay, just like this you can see. There is a set A where 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. And then 4, and there is a space, and then capital A. So what representation we will write? Like this is belongs to and this is not belongs to. Okay, so definitely, yeah, very good, JNB Bhavnagar. So what will be the answer? Because you can see the element 4 is inside this set A, so definitely 4 belongs to capital A, so A will be the correct answer. Okay, these are the very basic things, right? But this is your first class, so I am explaining everything. Okay, okay, I hope you are enjoying the class, because I can see hardly only JNB Bhavnagar is replying. And what about other guys? Are you not getting or something? Any problem? JNB Kolhapur, Karimnagar, Adilabad, Aravalli, Aswin, Jitin. Okay, I hope you are getting. Okay. Similarly, this one. So definitely you can see -4 is not inside this set, right? So we can say that -4 not belongs to. This is called not belongs to. So answer will be B option, right? B will be correct option. Okay. Okay, very good, Ardra. Okay, chalo. So the following points you can remember that objects, elements, members of a set are synonyms terms. Like अभी तक हमने सिर्फ elements use किया था, but if you will see In somewhere it will be written objects, somewhere it will be written members. So don't confuse with that. All three are same thing. Okay. So, and then sets are usually denoted by capital letter that I have already told you. Capital A, capital B, whatever it will be in the question. You can understand. And elements of any sets are represented by the small letters. Okay. It will be represented by small letters. Okay. So now we will see sets and their representation, how we will write a set and how we will represent it. Okay. So if P is an element of set A, we say that P belongs to A. First thing. Okay. If P is an element of set A, then we say P belongs to A. An element of set A can't be repeated in a set. What it means? Like if we are representing, suppose like this, we are writing there is a set A, and in this, if I am writing the elements, if I am writing 1, 2, 3, and again I am writing 2 and 5, so this can't be a set, because you can say 2 is repeated. So we can only write any element only one time. We can't repeat it. So this is not a set. So I hope you got this point right. ये भी पता चल गया ना. And the element of set may be listed in any order. It doesn't matter कि हम ascending order में लिख रहे हैं या descending order में लिख रहे हैं, इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Like you can write in any order, it is fine. Like I am writing suppose 3, 11, 4, 7, doesn't matter. It can be listed in any order. Okay. Okay, I hope you get it. These are the very basic points you can write. Okay. Just like you can say, like there is a set A and I have written 1, 3, 5 and 7 and then dot, 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 dot. Okay. So these kind of sets, you can say that it is an infinite set, that we will see later in the types of set also, right? Like dot denote that it goes up to infinity. So if anybody will ask you, what is the total number of elements in set A, you can't say, because the dot, 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 it is going up to infinity. So total number is not defined, it is infinite, right? And 1, 3, 5, 7 are called elements, or you can say members of set. That you already know. Same thing I am repeating again and again. Okay. 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 Examples. Odd natural number less than 10. So definitely you know that odd also, it is natural number also. So less than 10 means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these are the examples. Collection of states of data, right? You can count. I hope you all know how many states are there in India, right? Can anybody tell me कितने states है? किसी को याद होगा? Because you guys are Navodaya students. I am also a Navodaya ex-Navodayan students. 28, yeah. पहले 29 था. तेलंगाना बनने के बाद, फिर after that Jammu Kashmir got dissolved in 2 union territories. So now it is all again 28. Okay. हाँ या सो पहले तेलंगाना के बाद 29 हो गया था, including Jammu Kashmir. Now Jammu Kashmir in converted into 2 union territory, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. So now it is 28. Again 28. Okay. The vowels, obviously you know, these are the sets. Prime factor of 210. So prime भी होना चाहिए, 210 का factor भी होना चाहिए. It means 2, 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so ये तो आ गया. Solution of equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. I hope you know how to factorize it. If you don't know, doesn't matter, because definitely we are going to teach you the quadratic equation. So I hope this small quadratic equation factor you already know how to find it. So there is solution of this equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0 in 2 and 3. Definitely 2 and 3, because if you will put 2, you will get 0. If you will put 3, you will get 0. Okay. So these are the examples of sets. Okay. Now how we will represent it? That's the whole process. Okay. So like you can again, no need to discuss this also, because this is already you already know, right? So इसको skip करते हैं, ठीक है, because वही है, same चीज है. Okay, already answers भी लिखे हुए हैं इसके अंदर में. Which of the following is a set? I think, should I discuss this or should I move to the next topic? Because I think you can see a collection of poems written by poet Shakespeare, whether it is a set or not. Can anybody tell me? Because उसने जितने भी poems लिखे होंगे वो तो fix होंगे ना. So ये एक set है. Collection of all prime number भी एक set है. Okay, collection of most dangerous reptiles ये set नहीं है. So 1, 2, 3 will be a set. Yeah, very good. Okay, I can see YouTube people are not responding. What happened? Okay, like ये भी तो आपको पता है. चलो इसको भी skip करते हैं. Okay, अब ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको ध्यान से देखना, आप लोग याद भी रखना इसको है, ठीक है. लाइक कि क्या होता है कि जब सेट की बात करते हैं तो देयर आर सम रिप्रेजेंटेशन लाइक सेट ऑफ ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स. ओके, तो सेट ऑफ ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स आप कितना लिखते जाओगे? लाइक इफ यू आर राइटिंग 1 2 3 4 5 6 टिल इंफिनिटी, यू कैन राइट इट, बट उसको एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म में क्या करते हैं, कैपिटल एन लिख देते हैं. इफ कैपिटल एन इज देयर, यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग सेट ऑफ ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स, बिकॉज गोइंग फॉरवर्ड यू विल सी लॉट ऑफ लाइक दिस. ओके, ये एन कैपिटल एन बहुत दिखेगा आपको. सिमिलरली सेट ऑफ ऑल होल नंबर्स, इट मीन्स कैपिटल डब्ल्यू. ओके, आई होप ऑल नो व्हाट इज नेचुरल नंबर, व्हाट इज होल नंबर. सेट ऑफ ऑल इंटीजर्स, integers means 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3, right? So we can also represent basically z or I, but mostly you will be see z, but somewhere you will also see I, but I will prefer ki just remember z. Okay, and then z plus means set of all positive integers like 1 2 3 4 ऐसा करके. और एक और देखोगे z माइनस, इफ z माइनस इज देयर इट मींस सेट ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स. ओके, सिमिलरली सेट ऑफ ऑल रैशनल नंबर्स इट विल बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय q. ओके, एंड सेट ऑफ, इसमें भी होता है q प्लस सेट ऑफ ऑल पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस आर वेरी यूजफुल गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. एंड देन सेट ऑफ ऑल रियल नंबर्स, रियल नंबर्स में तो सारे आ जाते हैं, इरेशनल नंबर, रैशनल नंबर सबको कर दो, सब रैशनल नंबर में आ जाता है, ठीक है, रियल नंबर में आ जाता है. तो R इज सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स एंड R प्लस इज सेट ऑफ पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स. तो दिस आर द रिप्रेजेंटेशन, द शॉर्ट form you can remember. Okay, because going forward this will be used so frequently, so often. Okay, okay, I hope there is. And R minus means set of all negative real number. Okay, so I hope you are getting everything. I can see. Okay, now comes representation of sets. So sets can be represented in two types of form. One is roster or tabular form, and other one is set builder form. So what it is, we will see. Okay, so in roster form what we will see, in the roster form what we will see, all the elements of a set are listed. The elements are being separated by commas and enclosed with braces, like the way I was writing a few minutes back. Like whatever we are writing, suppose एक set है, देखो ऐसा करके A है, ठीक है, और अगर इसे मुझे ट्यूबुलर फॉर्म में लिखना है, रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखना है, तो व्हाट आई विल डू, ऑल एलिमेंट्स ऑफ अ सेट विल बी लिस्टेड, एंड इसको क्या करूंगा, एक ब्रेसेस के अंदर में, सपोज मैंने एक एलिमेंट लिखा 2, फिर एलिमेंट्स विल बी सेपरेटेड बाय कॉमा 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, ऐसा करके जो भी लिखना है लिख दो. तो ये आपका होता है ट्यूबुलर फॉर्म, यानी कि हमने जो भी देखा दैट इज रोस्टर और टेबुलर फॉर्म. ओके, ये रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. ओके, so set of vowels of English alphabet can be described as A, E, I, O, U. This is roster form. The set of even natural number, that is 2, 4, 6 ... It is also in the roster form. Okay, the roster form is very easy, right? So very easy. Like एक ब्रेसेस के अंदर में सारे एलिमेंट्स को डाल दो एंड बीच में सेपरेट कर दो कोमा के थ्रू, ठीक है? उसके बाद we will see set builder form. Set builder form में क्या होता है? Like all elements of a set possess a single common property. Okay, like अगर ये वाला इसके पहले अगर हमने लिखा था set of even natural number, हमने लिखा 2, 4, 6, डैश 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 ऐसा करके. अब क्या करूंगा मैं, ऐसा कर दूं इस सेट ऑफ इवन नेचुरल नंबर की जगह प्रॉपर्टी लिख दूं, लाइक 2, 4, 6 सब एक कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी की थ्रू कनेक्टेड है. एंड व्हाट इज दैट इज नेचुरल नंबर, इवन नेचुरल नंबर, ठीक है? सो वही है. इसमें क्या होता है कि हम क्या करते हैं कि एक सिंगल कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी से सारे एलिमेंट को बता देते हैं, विच इज नॉट पोजेस्ड बाय एनी एलिमेंट आउटसाइड द सेट. यानी उस कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी को कोई भी एक भी एलिमेंट वायलेट नहीं करेगा. ओके, लाइक दिस. लाइक सपोज ऐसा करके लिखा हमने x एंड देन प्रॉपर्टी लिखा है px holds, like which is read as set of all x such that px hold the symbol and is read as such that. Okay, अभी आपको ये confusing लग रहा होगा, but once you will see the example you will definitely get it. Like this, you can see this is in the tabular form or roster form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so first one is your roster form. Now what I have done, we want to write in the set builder form. In set builder form, what I have write x, and then I have written x belongs to natural number. This is what? Natural number. Okay, and also I have written x is less than equals to 8, and this is your common properties. Okay, common properties. Okay, so even if we will not write in the roster or tabular form, you can understand that what we are talking about. If they are saying that x is an element and it belongs to natural number and it is also equal and less than 8, then definitely you will think of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, na? Because you can't go more than that. You can't write 9 because the x is what? It is less than equals to 8. So you can't write 9. You also can't write 10. So this is the property. So this is what? This is your set builder form where all the elements, we will not write all the elements, but we will write only the property, one common property, so that we can easily understand what they are talking about. Okay, is it clear everyone? Is it clear? Can you understand now what is roster form, what is set builder form? Can anybody tell me in the chat box? बता दो जल्दी जल्दी से. Okay. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, we will see some examples also. Like to write a set in roster forms, elements are not to be repeated. Obviously, I have told you that all the elements should be distinct. If one element can't be repeated. Okay, so these are the, for example, MATHEICS, all the mathematics. You can see if anybody tell me this, will tell you that find the set of all letters used in mathematics, right? So definitely we see MATHE. And again you are saying M and A, okay, and T. Okay, so M, A and T are repeating. So what I have written in the set only M one time, but here 2 times M is coming, but we can't repeat it. Okay, so I hope you know that, right? Chalo. Okay, just like this, write the set in the roster form, the set of all letters in world algebra. So I hope you can understand it now. Can anybody tell me what will be your answer? Can anybody tell me what will be the answer? We have to write set of all letters in YouTube people. Can you respond? Okay, then I can see Pujita telling B. Yeah, B. ALGE BR. Okay, and A is repeating 2 times, but we have written only 1 time. So very good. B will be your correct answer. Okay. Yeah, Jan B Aravalli also. Aravalli. Sorry, अगर गलत pronounce कर रहा हूँ तो. Okay. Okay. Now, write the. You can see here what they have given. They have given everything in a set builder form. They have given the property. Okay, and they are saying that you have to write everything in the roster form. Okay, and we know that this is set A, right? And set A is representing AN. Okay, where N belongs to capital N. So how we will write it? Just see. This is A1. A1 is what? 1, right? Now, if I have to, and there is one more common property is given, that is AN plus 1 is equals to 3AN. So if I have to write second element A2, so definitely can I write 3A1, right? Because A2 is there. So it is 1 plus 1, right? A1 plus 1. So this is 3A1 with the property I can write, and already we know that what is A1? A1 is 1. So 3 into 1, so it will be 3. If I have to write A3, so again it is what? A2 plus 1. So I can write 3A2, and then I can write 3 into A2 is what? A2 is 3. So 3 into 3, 9. In the same way, with the common property, with this common property, you can write all the elements, right? Okay, all the elements. And if you want to write this in the roster form, so how you will write? You will simply write A is equals to first one is what? A1, A2, A3, like that you can go. Okay, because N is not decided, it is natural number, so natural number can go up to infinity. So we can go up to infinity. And if you want to write this, what you will write? A is equals to, first one is A1 is 1, A2 is what? 3, then A2 is 3, and then A3 is 9. Similarly, if you will see A4 will be 3A2, it will be 27, like that you can go. So now this was in set builder form, we have written in the roster form. Okay, so similarly, I hope you can solve this. This is your homework problem, you can write it also. Okay, there is another set is called B. Okay, is equals to minus AN, and then you can see the relation. A1 is given, A2 is given, that is 2. So if you want to find A3, so if I will write A3, so I can write A1 plus 2, and then what we can write? It is A1 plus 1, that is A2 plus A1. So what is A2? A2 is 2, and A1 is also 2, it is 4. So A3. Similarly, if you want to find A4, so then it will be 3 plus 1. So again, we can write A3 plus A1. Or you can also write A4, 2 plus 2, A2 plus A2. It depends on you. So in the both cases, you will get the same answer. Okay, in this way, you can write all the elements and just put into the brackets. Okay, then वो roster form में हो जाएगा. Right? Is it clear, guys? You can see the whole solution here also. Okay, one by one we can find. So this was the set builder form we have written in the roster form. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Okay, now I hope you can all understand all these things. Okay, like this question, write the following in the roster form. These all are written in the set builder form. Okay, what they are saying, x square is less than 25, and x is what? Natural number. So we have to see this property. So can anybody tell me what will be the elements in the chat box? Because we have only 10 minutes left. So we will solve all this. Okay, and then after that we will start the next class with the types of sets. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, great. Okay, because we can only take natural number, right? Yeah, we can take only natural number, because if we will take 5, so it will be definitely 25, and 25 is not less than 25. Yeah, If it is equal, then we can also take 5 also. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, similarly, if x is a prime number and it is between 10 to 20, so definitely we have to see in 10 to 20 how many elements are prime number. So definitely I would say 11 is prime number, 13 is prime number, 17 is prime number, and 19 is prime number. I hope कि कोई छूटा तो नहीं है या. Okay, similarly, x is a 2-digit natural number. Yeah, very good. X is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. 2-digit natural number में अगर आपको देखना है, so बहुत सारे elements हो. Can anybody tell me क्या क्या होगा? X should be a 2-digit natural number. Okay, so I hope एक एक करके बताओ क्या क्या होगा. We'll start with 17. चलो 17 तो होगा, लेकिन चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं ऐसा. चलो हाँ 17 लेते. 17 लिया तो 71 भी लेना पड़ेगा. फिर हमने लिया 26, देन 62 भी लेना होगा, देन 35, 53 भी लेना होगा, 44, फिर डबल रिपीट तो नहीं कर सकते, 44 हो गया और बाकी भी हो गए. एंड एक और देखो, 08 लेंगे तो वो सिंगल डिजिट हो जाएगा, बट 80 लेंगे तो डबल डिजिट हो जाएगा. सो वी कैन ऑल्सो टेक 8. इज इट क्लियर गाइस? 2-digit natural number भी है और sum of its digits is 8 also. Okay, similarly, x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. You can also find that. Okay, prime number 2 हो जाएगा, divisor है 3 हो जाएगा, 5 भी हो जाएगा. उसके बाद I think वो नहीं होगा, 2, 3 and 5 होगा, क्योंकि 10 नहीं ले सकते because it is not a prime number. 12 नहीं ले सकते, 15 नहीं ले सकते. Okay, 2, 3, 5 only. Yeah, very good. Okay, चलो. अब you can simply like write the following in the set builder form. Say मैं 3, 6, 9, 12 है. You can see that all the elements are the multiple of 3, right? 3 से divide हो रहा है. Okay, and up to 4 terms. उसी तरह से अगर आप B देखो, 1, 4, 9, 16 ऐसा करके 100 तक. Can anybody tell me what are the common properties you can see in the second part? But after that we will finish the class. Okay, can you tell me the common property that you can observe in that set B? 1, 4, 9, 16 till 100. Okay, yeah, very good, Pujita. All are a square of natural number. Very good, Janvi Bhavnagar. Yeah, similarly 5, 25, 125, 625. Can anybody tell me what are the common properties here? Yeah, can anybody tell me? See, last part. I'm feeling good that you all are responding very well. Divisible by 5, no. Divisible by 5, yeah, but divisible by 5 तो 10 भी होता है, 15 भी होता है, 20 भी होता है, उनको तो छोड़ दिया ना. 5n भी नहीं होगा, 5 into n वही हुआ divisible by n. But यहाँ पे 5 to the power n हो सकता है, because if you see 5 is what? 5 to the power 1. Yeah, very good, Pujita. And 25, 5 to the power 2. 125, 5 to the power 3. So we can write like 5 to the power n, where n belongs to capital मतलब n, like natural number. आप आगे आपको दिखाता हूँ कि क्या होगा, इसको कैसे लिखा जाता है. You can see this. Like x is equals to 3n, where n is going till 4 only. 1 to 4 because 12 तक है. 100 में भी these are all the natural number. X is equals to n square when n belongs to capital N and n will be from 1 to 10. उसी तरह से 1 to ये वाले में 5 to the power n है, जहां पे n कहां तक से जा रहा है? 1 से 4 तक, because 5 to the power 4 is 625 and after that there is no natural number. There is no number. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, you can take this as a homework also, right? इसको आप screenshot ले सकते हो. Okay, this I'm full faith on you that you can solve these questions. Okay, and then There are lots of questions you can see. You just in this class, what we have learned, what is set, how we'll represent it in the roster form and set builder form. If any set is given in the roster form, how we can convert into set builder form. And if it is in set builder form, how we can convert into roster form. So I hope, is there any doubt? You can any time you can still ask me, because now so Samanbit sir will orient you something. Okay. So just stay here only. Okay. So these are the questions I hope you can solve. Okay. So in next class, we will start with types of set. I can teach 5 more minutes also, but now time is over. So if we are starting something, so definitely अच्छा होगा कि हम क्लास के स्टार्ट से ही करें इसको. ठीक है. टाइप्स ऑफ सेट्स हम लोग कल स्टार्ट करें, मतलब जब भी नेक्स्ट क्लास आपका होगा स्टार्ट होगा. ओके. ओके. बस वही है, टाइप्स ऑफ सेट्स है, इम्पटी सेट, सिंगलटन सेट, नाम से ही पता चल रहा होगा. इफ देयर इज नो एलिमेंट इन द सेट, दैट इज इम्पटी सेट. If there is no element in one element in the set, that is singleton set. If the number of elements is fixed, then it is finite set. If the number of elements in the set is not infinite, then it is called infinite set. Equivalent set means if number of elements in two sets are equal, then we can say equivalent set. But in equal set means what? We'll see. Equal set means if two sets are there, so number of elements should be equal, and also the elements should be identical. Equivalent and equal में वही difference है. Equivalent में doesn't matter how what elements are there, but total number of elements in both the sets should be equal. Only we are concerned with number of elements. But in equal set, what we are seeing, that the elements should be same in both the sets. Okay, अगर different हो गया तो equal set नहीं होगा. Okay, so that's all for the today's class, guys. So that's it for today. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. अगर कोई डाउट है तो आप बता सकते हैं, आपका कोई कंसर्न है तो आप चैट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं. In the next class I will be using polls also. Okay, polls यूज करेंगे जहां पे आप अपना फीडबैक भी शेयर कर सकते हो. ओके, अबाउट द क्लास, कैसा लगा, इंटरेक्टिव लगा कि नहीं, जो भी है. ओके. ओके. सो
hello Rahul, can I take over?
हाँ. ओके. ओके सर. या
can you end sharing? Okay, awesome. Hello students, good afternoon once again. Is my screen visible? Is my audio audible? Please let me know in the chat box. Please students, let me know. After that we'll start the session. Okay, please let me know. Please let me know in the chat box. Is my you can tell me in terms of emojis also. Okay, whatever it is feasible, you can tell me. Okay. So students, let me start with the session as we have limited time. And I guess Rahul sir has given a very nice mathematics lecture, and I hope you have understood major things about sets, right? Coming about what I'm going to do. So in the last class, you might have met Subramanya, and he might have told you about what is Avanti, what do we do, what are the advantages when you're learning through us, right? So from today, what will happen is we are going to guide you through something called career guidance. So this career guidance session is not just oriented in one session only. So there is a series of sessions. Okay. So don't worry about these things. Okay. Okay, is it cool? So I hope everything is good and fine. Everyone is doing good. Fine, students. So let us go to like today's agenda. What we are going to do. So in today's agenda, we are going to talk about introduction. Introduction is about myself. Okay, I'll give a brief introduction about myself. Don't worry. I won't take so much minutes to introduce myself. Then I'll talk about the importance of career. Okay. Then we'll talk about what is the importance of the career. Then we'll talk something about STEM education. Like you might be wondering what is this STEM education. Okay. Don't worry. I will have a go through of everything. Coming into introduction of myself. So myself, I'm Samanvir. I'm a physics faculty of Avanti Fellows from Karnataka. To give a brief introduction about my education, academic career. So I'm a ex-NITN and I'm a ex-IITN too. So I have done my BTech from NIT Karnataka and have done my MSc Astronomy from IIT Indore. So you heard what I told right now. I did my BTech and I did my MSc in Astronomy. So you know that right now have something not very trivial, right? Have done BTech and have done MSc Astronomy. Now coming into, before going to the session, I want to know how you all are feeling right now. I know you had you have come to 11th. Right now we had mathematics sessions. Most of you might be fearing mathematics, but let me know in the chat box how you're feeling. Like whether you're feeling good. If you're very feeling super, like you are enjoying the session, please, there is this victory sign, you have this emoticons, right? Please let me know using the emoticons. And if you're feeling good, sir, mathematics class le liya, theek hai abhi, good hai. And agar not good hai, so please use the above symbol. Please let me know, students. So I won't take much minute. I'll take 1 or 2 minutes to let me know how is your, okay, very good. JNV, RR, okay, very good. Others, let me know. Very nice. Bhanu, very nice. Bhavana, okay, very good, super, very nice. Okay. Others, let me know in the chat box. Let me know. Okay, very good. Everyone is giving their responses, right? That's very good. Pretty happy. Okay, nice. I know it's summer. It's very hot out there. Humid है. थोड़ा ये कर लो, ठीक है ना? Now, let us proceed. मैं proceed कर लूँगा, ठीक है ना? I hope everyone is feeling good. कोई issue नहीं है. Okay, Jain. Okay, Adilabad. Nice. Thank you, Adilabad. Okay, nice. Okay. Now let us move ahead. ठीक है ना? Let us begin. Are you ready? I hope everyone is ready. They have their pen and paper. ठीक है, पेन एंड पेपर जरूरत नहीं है, बस चाहिए, अगर कुछ लिखना है तो लिख लेना, कोई इश्यू नहीं है, ठीक है ना. टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट इज करियर एंड व्हाई आई नीड अ करियर गाइड. कोई मुझे बता सकता है कि करियर क्या होता है? व्हाट इज करियर? अगर आपने सोच लिया, किसी ने बोल दिया कि यार आप लोग तो अभी 11th में हो ना, किसी ने तो बोला होगा कि 11th में आ गए, करियर में क्या करोगे, आगे क्या करोगे? So what according to you, any one of you, can anyone tell me what is career? आपके हिसाब से, आपके जो भी लैंग्वेज है, I mean, don't worry about the grammatical mistakes. According to you, what is career? What do you mean by career? इसमें कुछ है, person's progress through, क्या है basically? Then I'll talk, don't worry. बता सकते हो कोई what is career? I'm waiting. ठीक है, I'll wait for your reply. उसके बाद ही जाएंगे आगे. सॉरी. ओके, व्हाट इज करियर? ठीक है. ओके. So before understanding career, let me tell, before understanding career, let us try to understand what is job, what is career. आप ये बता सकते हो, tell me yes or no, is there any difference between a job and career? Let me know, is there any difference between job and career? Yes. जॉब कुछ है, अलग है, करियर अच्छा अलग है ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मान लो ये मेरा रूम है, ठीक है ना, अगर इस रूम को मुझे रिनोवेट करना है तो मैं किसको वो बोलूंगा? I'll tell a contractor who renovates the room, who renovates the building, right? So उस रिनोवेशन में क्या होगा, क्या काम होगा? तो बेसिकली I'll tell the renovator कि मेरा कुछ ऐसे ऐसे चीजें हैं, मुझे इस रूम में ये सब चीजें करना है, and I'll give you the payment for it. ऐसा नो, ये पेमेंट कब होगा? Basically after renovating everything, I'll give the payment. So basically that contractor is doing the job for me, right? लेकिन करियर ऐसा नहीं होता है. करियर इज अ लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. गुड आफ्टरनून. सो करियर इज अ लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस, है कि नहीं है? क्या होता है कि you might choose different aspects in your life to make sure that you're doing certain things which will be very very important for your career. For example, I'll take my own example. So as I'm a physics enthusiast. ठीक है, मुझे फिजिक्स में कुछ करियर बनाना था, बट आई डिडंट नो what exactly I wanted to do. So during my BTech time, I had this inclination toward astronomy. जो स्पेस होता है ना, उसमें इंक्लिनेशन था. लेकिन स्पेस तो बहुत बड़ा है, इंक्लिनेशन किस में होगा? I didn't know that, right? So during the course of amount of time, I came to know that my interest in astronomy. Did you get it? So बीटेक के बाद मैंने क्या किया? एमएससी एस्ट्रोनॉमी किया. देखो, मैंने बीटेक के बाद एमएससी एस्ट्रोनॉमी किया, अलग है, फ्रॉम टेक्नोलॉजी stream to science stream में गया. But this career choices that I had to do, क्यों क्यों क्या? क्योंकि मुझे ये चीजें करनी है. नो, ये करियर पाथ करने के लिए आई नीडेड गाइडेंस. अब गाइडेंस कौन 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 होंगे? सो माय गाइडेंस वर माय पेरेंट्स, माय ब्रदर, माय टीचर्स, माय फ्रेंड्स, right? Without a proper, and the need of career guidance is very simple, very simple. I need to know whether the step I'm going to take next is right or not. है कि नहीं है? जो भी मैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप वो तो सही होनी चाहिए ना, क्योंकि अगर मैंने सही से लिया कि नहीं लिया है तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. सो फॉर चूजिंग राइट करियर पाथ यू नीड अ करियर गाइडेंस. एंड ऑल्सो ऑब्वियसली मिस्टेक तो हम ही करते हैं ना, ऐसा नो. Mistakes are made by human beings. So to avoid those mistakes, we need career guidance, and also we need to have a focused career route. अगर आपने एक करियर पाथ चूज कर लिया तो आपको ऑब्वियसली एक फोकस करियर पाथ तो चाहिए, है कि नहीं? रूट तो चाहिए ना, है कि नहीं है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू वांट टू गो फ्रॉम योर हॉस्टल टू आपके जो एकेडमिक ब्लॉक है, आप सीधे जाना चाहते हो ना, तो क्या होगा? तो आपके जो हाउस मास्टर है वो देखते हैं. तो आपकी जो फोकस है वो हॉस्टल से एकेडमिक ब्लॉक होनी चाहिए. तो उस फोकस के लिए एक गाइडेंस चाहिए, है ना? इज इट क्लियर? थोड़ा डिफरेंस में आया कि जॉब क्या है, करियर क्या है, वाई करियर गाइडेंस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इज इट गुड स्टूडेंट्स? लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स. थोड़ा तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग आया ना? इज इट गुड? लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स. इज इट गुड? Okay, very nice. Now moving ahead. Now, in order to make these career choices, one of the major important स्मार्ट गोल्स. ठीक है, ये आपके जो भी गोल्स है ना वो स्मार्ट होनी चाहिए. नाउ व्हाट इज द स्मार्ट गोल? एस नाउ विल लाइक उसको so S is specific, M is what? Measurable. Is what? Okay, is my slide visible to you? I have changed the slide though. Is my slide visible to everyone? The next slide. Sorry. Is it visible? Let me know in the chat box. Okay. Very nice. Very good. So specific. So what happened was I had to do like I had an interest in astrophysics. Yes, very good. So the thing is, I should have been very specific in what I should do. So I knew that if I do MSc in astronomy, then I will have my career path in the right direction. So I need to make sure that what I want to accomplish. So that is specific. Now, what is measurable? Measurable is, let's say, for example, I did my BTech, then what I did, MSc in astronomy. Now, the steps I'm taking should be very, very prominent. It should be very measurable to what I'm doing, what I'm going to achieve. And these measurable will help you to understand whether you're going to achieve this goal or not. Is it good? So one is specific. You should be very, very specific. Measurable, like how will I know whether I'm going to accomplish? Like let's say, for example, I'm being astrophysicist, whether I'll accomplish or not. So it should be very, very measurable. ठीक है? Attainable. देखो, जो भी आपका गोल्स होता है ना, उस गोल को आपको अटेन करने के लिए करियर पाथ तो चाहिए, लेकिन वो करियर पाथ उस गोल को अटेन कर पाएगा कि नहीं कर पाएगा, ये आपको समझ होनी चाहिए. ठीक है ना? वरना आप अटेन ही नहीं कर सकते ना, ऑब्वियसली, ऐसा नो. रिलेवेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टू बिकम एस्ट्रोफिजिसिस्ट आई हैड टू डू एमएससी एस्ट्रोनॉमी. तो जो भी चीजें मैं कर रहा हूँ अभी वो रिलेवेंट है कि नहीं है, जो भी चीजें मैं करूंगा वो रिलेवेंट है कि नहीं है, वो खुद से, आई मीन यू नीड टू इवेल्युएट, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है. एंड टाइमली. देखो, जो भी चीजें आप करना चाहते हो वो एक टाइम पे होनी चाहिए ना, है कि नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. क्रिकेट मैच, 20 ओवर्स का क्रिकेट मैच कितना रहता है एक टीम के लिए? 2-2.5 आवर्स. कोई 4 घंटे ले सकते हैं? नहीं. 10 घंटे ले सकते हैं? नहीं. उस टाइम लिमिट में कंप्लीट तो होनी चाहिए ना. तो वॉट एवर द गोल्स दैट यू वांट टू अचीव, दैट हैज टू बी टाइमली. इज इट गुड स्टूडेंट्स? सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू. इज इट गुड? नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ टू चूज अ करियर. बहुत कंफ्यूजन रहेगा, सर मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है, ये करना है, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. 11th में आ गए, बहुत कुछ करना है लेकिन समझ नहीं. लेकिन हाउ टू चूज अ करियर, वेरी सिंपल. ठीक है, देयर आर सर्टेन स्टेप्स देयर टू डू. One thing is determine your interest. See, right now there is an ample amount of time to you to determine your interest. So there are different subjects, for example, physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology. Yeah, these are the subjects that you have taken, and you know that these are the different subjects are there. Now try to understand what you like. Physics में देखो, physics बहुत बड़ा है. Physics में क्या पसंद है, chemistry में क्या पसंद है, biology में क्या पसंद है, mathematics में क्या पसंद है. So try to do it. And in that, what do you value and what motivates you. For example, when I see space, oh wow, space में बहुत कुछ है, aliens भी हो सकते हैं ना. तो ये सब चीजें रहती है. तो what is my curiosity, and in order to do that, what is my skill sets that is required. ठीक है ना. So determine your interest. Is it good? Next, discover your career. देखो, पहली चीज तो आपने ये, फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेक फिजिक्स. आई गॉट टू नो दैट माई इंटरेस्ट इज इंक्लाइन टू फिजिक्स. एक सब्जेक्ट, पूरा एक सब्जेक्ट है, उसमें इंटरेस्ट है, लेकिन उसमें मुझे क्या करना है ये तो पता नहीं होगा ना. तो उसके लिए आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा उसमें क्या करियर चॉइसेस है, टाइप्स ऑफ जॉब्स है, एजुकेशन रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या क्या है. ठीक है, ये आपको समझ में आनी चाहिए. एंड ऑल्सो लेट्स से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I told I want to be an astrophysicist. You can become a teacher also. You can become a professor also in physics. तो वही बात है ना. So try to understand what is your thing. जो चीजें आपको जो पसंद है ना वो आप कर. ठीक है. एंड ऑल्सो व्हाट आर द टाइप्स ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, क्योंकि अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हो एक एनवायरमेंट होनी चाहिए ना. ऑब्वियसली अगर मान लो आप जेएनवी इज अ वेरी गुड एनवायरमेंट फॉर स्टडीज, है कि नहीं है, कंपेयर टू अदर थिंग्स. बहुत फैसिलिटीज है, फ्रेंड्स है, टीचर्स है, वेरी केयरिंग टीचर्स है. So these are the environment that makes you study harder and harder. Okay, is it good? So where can I go? And also last is, जो करियर में करना चाहता हूँ उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा वो भी आपको डिस्कवर करना पड़ेगा. Is good? Third is plan your goals. देखो, बिना प्लानिंग के, मान लो आपको एक घर बनाना है, उस घर के लिए प्लानिंग तो चाहिए ना. कितना रूम होनी चाहिए, कितना बेडरूम होनी चाहिए, हॉल कहाँ होनी चाहिए, कबर्ड कहाँ होनी चाहिए, विंडो कहाँ होनी चाहिए. प्लान के बिना रैंडमली तो बना नहीं सकते, है कि नहीं. तो देखो, since you are in right now in 11th, I'm telling again and again, there is a lot of time to. तो आप एक प्लान बनाओ कि मेरे इंटरेस्ट, पहले इंटरेस्ट जगाओ, उसके बाद करियर देखो उसमें क्या चीज है, उसके बाद प्लान बनाओ. ठीक है ना. बैठकर प्लान बनाओ कि मैं ये करूंगा तो ये हो जाएगा, ये करूंगा तो ये हो जाएगा, ये करूंगा तो ये हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सो प्लानिंग इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है ना. एज अ टीचर, गोइंग टू क्लास विदाउट अ प्लान इज, आई मीन आई वोंट सक्सीड इन. अगर मैं टीच भी करना चाहता हूँ ना, एक प्लान होती है मेरे दिमाग में. हाँ, आई नीड टू कवर दिस सिलेबस. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैथमेटिक्स, सो यू हैड दिस प्लान टू कंप्लीट थिंग्स. उन्होंने बोला ना कि टाइप्स ऑफ सेट्स तो आज कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि उनके पास एक प्लान है कि अगर मैंने स्टार्ट किया तो उसको कंप्लीट करना है उस एक टाइम पीरियड में. इज इट गुड? यहाँ तक समझ में आया कुछ? थोड़ा थोड़ा ठीक है, थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन रहेगा, डोंट वरी. एज आई सेड, ये सिर्फ बिगिनिंग है, करियर गाइडेंस से बिगिनिंग है. So there are a lot of things that is coming ahead in the next session. ठीक है. Now some might have confusion कि what to choose. हम जब 10th से 11th आ गए, we had a very very huge confusion about subject. बहुत कुछ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फ्रेंड्स ने बोला आर्ट्स ले ले, आई मीन साइंस ले लेते हैं, पेरेंट्स ने बोला ये ले लो, टीचर्स ने बोला ये ले लो, कोई और ने, किसी ने और ने कि कुछ और ले. Now you have come to a point where you have already taken the subject and you might be again thinking कि यार मैंने चॉइस करेक्ट लिया तो लिया, मैंने एक सब्जेक्ट ले साइंस लिया, whether it is a good choice or not. ये किसी को कंफ्यूजन है? बताओ मुझे. is a very in confusion regarding it. किसी को कोई confusion है regarding it यार students को कि सर हमने तो साइंस ले लिया सर, अब पता नहीं क्या होगा, हम तो ले लिया लेकिन गुड चॉइस है कि नहीं है, किसी कोई बता सकता है whether it's a good choice or not taking science as a subject to make sure that you have a career in it? कोई बता सकता है? The ones who have been replying, let me know. Adilabad students, let me know. There are a lot of students right now, so yeah. Okay, I'll wait. Wait for 1 minute 30 seconds. Let me know in the chat. Okay. So I will say that the career, the choices you have made is very, very why? Why? Because the whole global is going towards something called STEM. एक STEM education के through जा रहा है. Like there's a changes in education. Now what is it STEM? STEM, S stands for science, T stands for technology, E for engineering, M for mathematics. So if you are going to science, technology, engineering, mathematics, you have lot of benefits. There is, I might be wrong in the number. So as I know that by 2024, there will be 2.2 million jobs in STEM. That is next year itself. Just STEM education will help you to find these many job opportunities. So going through science, technology, engineering, mathematics would be a very good job. So if you are going to an engineering stream, very nice. If you're going to a science stream, very nice. And if you're going to technology or mathematics, then it is a very good job. So I would say that please make sure that you're going to these streams itself. Is it good? Now, what is this STEM? And like basically, sir, education to abhi bhi ho raha hai na. So STEM se kya hoga? There is the edge over traditional education in STEM. जो STEM में पढ़ते हैं ना and traditional approach है ना, the opportunities for the students who have studied in STEM education is much more rather than in traditional education. And believe it or not, just not in India, in global workspace, STEM education is being implemented. So let's say, for example, I'm an Indian student. I have taken education in STEM. Now my recognition is just not limited for India. My recognition is going to go through global also. I can apply for jobs over there. I can apply for research opportunities over there. I can do lot of things. ठीक है ना? देखो लिमिटेड पहले क्या था कि आपने कहीं कर दिया वही लिमिटेड, फिर आपका इंडिया हो गया, अब ग्लोबल में हो रहा है. सो ग्लोबल एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत हो चुका है. एंड वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ STEM इज जस्ट नॉट थियोरिटिकल अप्रोच. आपने पहले थियरी पढ़ा फिर छोड़ दिया, ऐसा नहीं है. थियरी पढ़ा, उसके लिए इम्प्लीमेंट कर लिया, किसमें प्रैक्टिकली इम्प्लीमेंट कर लिया, है कि नहीं है? सो दीज NIT and IITs are very good colleges. I'm just giving an example, लेकिन बहुत है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ बस, ठीक है ना? So make sure that you are focused in that. Instills leadership quality in learners. See, the thing is, these STEM education institute does not provide you solution. अगर एक प्रॉब्लम दे दिया ना, एक प्रॉब्लम दे दिया, ऐसा नहीं कि कोई आके आपको बोलेगा कि ये सोल्यूशन है. यहाँ आपको टीम वर्क करना पड़ेगा, इंडिविजुअल वर्क करना पड़ेगा, आपको हेल्प लेना पड़ेगा. हेल्प ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ फ्रेंड से लेना पड़ेगा, आपको बाहर से लेना पड़ेगा, टीचर से लेना पड़ेगा. देयर विल बी वेल नोन साइंटिस्ट. अगर आपने उनको मेल कर दिया आपके प्रॉब्लम को, दे विल रिप्लाई विद सर्टेन एस्पेक्ट दैट यू नीड टू डू. ये क्या करेगा? दिस विल हेल्प यू टू इंप्रूव योरसेल्फ एंड आल्सो इफ यू आर वर्किंग इन अ टीम इट विल इंस्टिल अ लीडरशिप क्वालिटी, है कि नहीं है? एंड ऑल्सो जो अगर मान लो आपने ये 4 साल के लिए ये चीजें कर लिया, जस्ट इमेजिन द ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव थिंग्स दैट विल हैपन अमंग योरसेल्फ. जो आप चीजें करने में डरते थे, 4 साल के बाद आप ऐसे करोगे, यार ये सब चीजें तो मुझे आती है, बहुत सिंपल है, मैं इससे क्यों डरता था, है कि नहीं है? yes or no students? So these are the things. And the thing is, best part of STEM education is everything is correlated. जो भी चीजें होती है ना वो कोरिलेटेड है. अगर आप एक चीज में पढ़ रहे हो तो वो चीजें यहाँ भी इंप्लीमेंट होगी, है कि नहीं है? साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, इंजीनियरिंग, मैथमेटिक्स एक क्लब है, एक साथ चलेगा वो. ऐसा नहीं कि वो डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स. इज इट गुड? सो वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग प्लीज फोकस इनटू science, technology, engineering, mathematics. This will help you a lot of things. And I have seen an interview of Barack Obama also, where even he said that STEM education is one of the important aspects in education. Is it good? Okay. So one of the important things. So even he told that it is a very transformative thing, because now students will be able to have a wide range of things. It's not just limited to like one country. Now you'll have access to everything. It's good. So students, and in order to do this, what you have to do? You have to focus on competitive exam. Yes or no? Competitive examination क्यों? अगर आप कुछ चीजें करना चाहते हो ना, ये तो competitive exam के थ्रू ही हो सकता है ना. जो भी STEM एजुकेशन के लिए आपके इंस्टीट्यूट को जाना पड़ता है, वो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन थ्रू ही है. क्यों? क्योंकि सब लिखेंगे, सबके सब लिखेंगे, जो भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे, जो भी सॉल्यूशंस होंगे, वो तो सेम ही होगा ना. तो सबको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल रहा है. तो इस कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन से क्या होगा? अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो मिलेगा, जो एकेडमिक अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, वो हाई है. The standard of teaching is very very high in a quality education, a quality institute. The facilities, the resources, the network you get, the community that you get is different. Yes or no? And your IQ, your logical thinking, analytic thinking just changes into a different aspect. I'll give a very very simple example. Okay, na? Let's say you have 10 pets. In that 10 pets, you have 9 tigers and one, what do you say, cat. छोटे छोटे, every 9 10 are very small. ठीक है ना? उसमें 9 tigers and 1 cat. Now what will happen when these 10 pets are going together? What will happen? जो cat है ना, वो 9 tigers को देखेगा, उनकी जो क्वालिटीज है उसको अडॉप्ट कर लेगा ना, है कि नहीं? या जो 9 टाइगर्स है वो अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे कैट के बिहेवियर, या जो ये कैट है वो अडॉप्ट करेगा? बताओ मुझे पहली बात तो, किसको अडॉप्ट करेगा? कैट अडॉप्ट करेगा या टाइगर्स अडॉप्ट करेंगे? बताओ मुझे, बताओ बताओ. ऑब्वियसली कैट है ना. यस. तो वही बात है कि इफ यू हैव अ वेरी हाई स्टैंडर्ड, व्हाट यू से, एजुकेशन, रिसोर्सेस, फैसिलिटीज, आपके जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है वो अलग ही हो सकता है. ठीक है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द एंड. जो मैंने एक स्टोरी बताया उतना ही है. मेरा सेशन अभी कंप्लीट हो चुका है. ठीक है. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज, इफ यू हैव एनीथिंग टू आस्क, यू कैन आस्क. बिंदास से आप पूछ सकते हो मेरे से. ठीक है ना. एंड एज अ सेड, दिस करियर गाइडेंस सेशन इज जस्ट नॉट लिमिटेड फॉर वन सेशन. अभी फ्यूचर में देयर विल बी अ डेडिकेटेड मेंटर्स फॉर योर इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रीम, फॉर योर मेडिकल स्ट्रीम, फॉर योर साइंस. सो दीज मेंटर्स विल मेक श्योर दैट कि आपको, कि अगर मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर फोकस्ड इनटू इंजीनियरिंग, इंजीनियरिंग में कौन से एग्जाम्स होंगे, एग्जाम पैटर्न क्या होगा, एग्जाम क्या कब लिखना होता है, रजिस्ट्रेशन कब होता है, सब चीजें बताएं. इवन इट इज फॉर मेडिकल एंड साइंस. सो देयर विल बी डेडिकेटेड मेंटर्स फॉर इट. सो डेडिकेटेड टीचर्स आएंगे, आपको बताएंगे चीजें क्या क्या है, कैसे हो सकता है. इज इट गुड स्टूडेंट्स? So I have some minutes of time. I'm waiting for your questions. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you don't have any questions, then I'm going to drop. Okay? Please let me know. I'm waiting for your questions, please. And thank you for listening to me. I hope you have got some idea about career. अब मुझे क्या करना है, क्या क्या चीजें करनी है. ठीक है ना? Is it good, students? Let me know in the chat box. बताओ मुझे. बहुत लोग हैं. So there is Ashwini, Jainvi, Amravati, Arvalli, okay, Dansura, Karim Nagar, Kolhapur. There are other Jainvis also. Please let me know. If you have any doubt, let me know. As I'm going to drop off. Please let me know. Okay, then students, I guess there's no questions. If you have any questions, as I said, yeah, I mean, here is my email ID. So you can just mail me through the email ID. Okay. कोई भी queries हो, you can just drop me a mail. I'll be available over there. ठीक है? Is it good? Okay, students, all the best for your future. Do well, do good. ठीक है? Okay, चलो. Take care. Bye bye. Rahul, I'll be dropping off.
Okay, bye bye सबको. Thank you everyone. We'll again meet next class. ठीक है, मिलते हैं फिर next class में फिर, क्योंकि ये बहुत कैरियर गाइडेंस हो गया. आई होप धीरे धीरे चीजें आप सीखोगे. एंड अभी फिर सब्जेक्ट पे फोकस करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास से. ओके, ठीक है. थैंक यू एवरीवन. आप जा सकते हो. ठीक है, बाय बाय. बाय बाय ऑल. थैंक यू.